Hello viewers, and welcome back to the Grass and Graves channel. Today I'm out here at the Natchez City Cemetery checking up on Mr. T.J. Ray. That's the headstone we cleaned in our last video. We want to see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, it's coming along nicely. Still has a ways to go. We might have to come out here and do another application of D2, but it's definitely starting to lighten up. Yeah. I couldn't even read that last time I was here. To him we trust, a place is given among the saints with Christ in heaven. I've been getting a lot of comments on my videos about the tools I use and the products I use to clean these grave markers. So in our next video, I'll lay that out for you and discuss the products and tools that I use. And then perhaps I'll do a video tour of this particular cemetery here in Natchez. It's quite big. There's a lot of sections to it. A lot of old markers, a lot of new markers. But if that's something you're interested in, drop me a comment below and I'll do a video tour of this place. Every year in November, they have an event out here called Angels on the Bluff. If you're not local to the area and you're not familiar with it, basically what they do is they have actors who will pick somebody out here in the cemetery and do a little skit about their life. They usually hold the event at night. There's large groups of people that come through and they walk the cemetery from plot to plot, and these actors talk about this person's life. It's pretty neat. I've done some videos of one of them in the past that perhaps I'll drop on the channel if you think you'd be interested in seeing it.